Hello there. You are watching the PC Logist. In today's video, we are going to show you step-by-step guide for downloading genuine Windows 10 ISO file from official source. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for such easy solutions. So, let's begin. First of all, we will need to download Windows Media Creation Tool from official Microsoft website. So for that, open your web browser and go to Google, search for Windows Upgrade Assistant, then click on a first link of the search result, that is, Windows 10 Update Assistant, Microsoft Support. You'll see you are now on Microsoft website. Then, click on the Download the Update Assistant. Now you are on Download Windows 10 page, then, scroll down to Create Windows Installation Media section, click on Download Tool now, and your download shall begin now. Once download is completed, open the Media Creation Tool, and you must see a tool is now running and is getting things ready. Then follow the steps in the video. You'll get an option to select language, edition of Windows and architecture, that is 64-bit or 32-bit. This tool will automatically detect your system and accordingly options has been selected. However, you can disable recommended option and choose options suitable to you. Then moving to the next page, you'll see an option to choose a media, that is you can either create a bootable USB pen drive, or you can download bootable ISO file, which can be used to create bootable USB pen drive later on. In the video we have downloaded bootable ISO. Choose your location to download ISO file. Now, your download shall begin. You can see the progress there. It may take 20 to 25 minutes or even more, depending upon your internet speed and system. Once download is completed, you can check the ISO file downloaded at specified location. Isn't it quite simple? In next video we will show you how to create a bootable USB pen drive from ISO file. Thanks for watching. We are listening your comments.